How did you control the coronavirus? As you suggest that you have been very effectively control the virus in China. China, as we know, is a very vast country.
Yeah.
It's one of the most populous country in the whole world.
Yeah.
So what is the secret of controlling the coronavirus from spreading further in China as of now?
Actually, when I use the word secret, I don't mean it's really secret in China. China has been keeping very open and transparent this time. If you follow Chinese media, the central government's information office and the Ministry of Public Health, every day we organized a press conference. Many provinces that have been severely affected, they organize daily briefing and upgrading of the information of the cases every day. So if we may say how China is putting the COVID-19 under effective control, we may be confident now to say that there's a quite good model China is adopting. So here are some of the features I wish I can share with my friends in India, because as you know, India is now having this newly confirmed cases updating. India has a very good mirror from Chinese perspective. We are both a billion population country. So what China does might be very, very useful for India to see at least. And here are the things. The first one is that we have to respond quickly. So China has been responding to this virus outbreak very quickly. Of course, people say at the very beginning we had some chaotic situation, because this is something people don't know. So people was caught off guard. It's quite natural, I think. But we responded quickly afterwards, and the rapid decision making and deployment of the CPC Central Committee and the State Council have greatly enhanced, strengthened people's confidence to overcome the epidemic. This is very, very, very important. And also the other aspect of quick responding could be that we very quickly realize that this is not merely a technical issue or medical issue. Because of the scale of the outbreak, we cannot simply send the number of medical professionals to treat people. That's not all. We realize that this relates to the massive handling of the size of the outbreak, because it's hundreds of thousands of people who rush to hospitals. And the social capability to handle this is really, really unprecedented. So the first is the quick response. The second is the efficient handling of the scale of the outbreak is another issue. So one of the dimension is that aside from the central leadership and the strongest medical teams sent to the province, the central government with its very decisive mobilization mobility, we designate different provinces across the country to twin with the Hubei province, so that one province outside of Hubei may be twinned with one or two cities of Hubei province. This is very unique in China. This proved to be very effective in a way that you just imagine that the whole state medical professional capabilities of West Bengal to support one city like Ranchi in Jharkhand. So one state twinning with one city in another state. So there's a very powerful mobilization capabilities, and massive resources are rallied to support the Hubei province. The third one would be the responsibility. Of course, you can realize even now the huge responsibility for the government to take care of the people. It's not votes. You know, in many of the Western democracies, people talking about the leadership in grabbing the votes. But in China, it is the safeguard of people's life that always matter the top. So Chinese central government, the Chinese central, the Communist Party of China, they realize that at this time of the crisis, the major crisis facing the nation, it is the top responsibility of the government to save lives of people. That is very unusual because while China save lives of people, we also thought that China intends to create a shared future for human beings, for shared community of human beings. So while we are doing everything within China, sending the best people to the province, we also share this information very quickly with the World Health Organization, so that the World Health Organization can inform the world community promptly. So you can see that the World Health Organization chief, they always said that request other countries outside China to share information about the numbers from their country. But so far, I think people around the world realize that what China does really has the ultimate value for other countries to really take serious.